Assignment 7 already. What a fast quarter, huh? Called a postcard. Basically, have you ever seen a postcard before? Ever bought one, sent one, received one? What is a postcard? That's the assignment. We're going to have you kind of build your own postcard, and then in the event of us getting back to school in time, print these, mail these to whoever, and have it come full circle. It says here some steps. I said look online to familiarize yourself with what a postcard is. So for instance, here's some postcards. Some say greetings from California. Some say good news from school. These are fun to get. Some are from, Miami Beach, North Pole, New Jersey. It's some of them are travel postcards. Maybe the mountains. Maybe a postcard could be like say, hey, a new store opening. It's the tiny umbrella store. Okay? Postcards. So your task is to kind of get an idea what a postcard is. Think of a theme. Are you going to be like in a city, at an event, at a monument? Where are you going to be? What's your postcard gonna be? So pick your theme, pick your location. All right. When that's done, look online to find and download an image for the background of your postcard. Like you see here, someone had to download a little image of maybe a tablecloth to put the Miami Beach word on. Or here's a picture, some pictures of the city for New Jersey. Maybe some national parks. Here's all the parks in the background. So you're finding those images. You find the picture. Yours is going to be from Hawaii. You find the image of an ocean or whatever. So you find that stuff. Okay? And it says then we got to put you in this postcard. So have a photo of you taken standing in the pose needed to fit into the postcard. All right. It says stand in front of a solid colored wall because we're going to remove the background digitally. Kind of like Hollywood uses a green screen to pull the green screen away, bring an image in the background. That's what we're going to do here. Think back to the student ID project. I used that little welding helmet as my mascot, and I had to erase the white background away to the helmet just there. That's what we're doing. So if you're standing in front of, say, a neutral color wall in your house, get a photo taken, it'll be a somewhat quick edit. We can erase the wall off in 1 or 2 clicks, but you have to zoom in, use the actual eraser tool to click and drag everything else you don't want off around you. Okay? So let's say I pick my theme of maybe a monster truck rally. Okay? And I want to get a photo of me standing in a pose to fit in. Maybe I want to be here, for instance. So I got to figure out what would my stance be. If I wanted to stand in this pose here, I probably want to stand maybe somewhere, maybe on these cars. If I was standing, just kind of normal stance with my legs, arms, and head, and a little high, it might look kind of odd because that might not be a very, very, believable pose. I'm just standing there, minding my own business at a monster truck rally. Okay? So what I need is some little bit more of a, can I scoot it? Can I scoot it? Can I scoot it over? Hold on. Trying to move. You can't, why not? There you go. Get out of the way. That's better. Okay. I want a little more of a pose, which maybe I'm a little more frightened, or a little more running. Maybe if I was kind of running down this hill, it might be more of a running pose where I'm kind of running, got one arm kind of back, one arm forward, and maybe I'm going, okay. So maybe I'm going to be running away from the monster trucks, okay? So I need more of a pose, and my text could say, look out, or something I can have that pose, all right? So the idea is, can I go back? I gotta close this, that's right. That locks. No, it doesn't. That's just being weird. All right, so I'd stand in front of a wall. get a photo taken of me in that pose, open it in Pixlr, use that magic eraser, magic wand to pull the color away and delete it, zoom in, eraser on the perimeter, get that cleaned up. And it says to combine the photo of me plus the background. So same way I did everything else. I would open my background, add my photo to it, and then it says add the necessary postcard text. So what would it say? Greetings from the Monster Truck Rally. Could say wish you were here. Maybe it's going to say run, something. Okay, there's the quick steps. So get an idea for a postcard, get a theme figured out, look for images, get a photo of you taken, edit your photo, then combine all three. Okay? Not that easy, but it sounds easy, but it's not. Here we go. It says ensure your completed product meets or exceeds. So you want to be this size. This is a postcard size. 5 by 3 3/4. So I want to go 15 by 1013. So if I do a new product, I got to go 1500 by 1013. 1013. So here is my postcard size. Okay, we're just in the front for now, the back when we're in school. That one's done. The background image must be crisp, sharp, clear, and school appropriate. So if I can't find a clear picture of this, I can't use it. Okay, I may want to go to things at tool settings and pick size, pick large. That way I'm going to get large pictures. So now if I bring a large picture in, this should be clear. It should work. Look for numbers in the thousands. Thousands by 1,000. It's a pretty good image size. Okay. And it says the picture of you must be properly edited, properly placed in the image. Edited, here is I want to have all the stuff around my perimeter cut away. So it's just me, no extras. And if the background picture is dark and I'm bright sun and sunshine, that'll look fake. I gotta use my your face skills to make myself blend in. Maybe darken, maybe blur, maybe smudge, maybe sharpen, something to make myself fit in. Okay? So properly edited means more than just that. It means use your face skills, all right? And properly placed. I want to be blocking anything. I want to be kind of in the photo to make it look like I was always there, all right? The text I've added, the font, the size, the color, and placement, that's critical, okay? We don't want to be too wordy, but not wordy enough. You're going to make it so whoever's reading it, okay, to know what you are doing and where you're visiting. That's critical. And then the whole thing was done, if you could bring it to a store, put it on the shelf, people won't even know it was a homemade postcard. It looks like it was always one you bought at a gift shop. Okay? So big things here, again, make sure just get a idea, get a theme, find an image, make sure it's a large, crisp image, get a photo of you, get yourself edited, and then combine them. But make sure, here's your document size. Make sure the background is clear, crisp, sharp, and focused. All right, and school appropriate. If it's not, pick a new one. You make sure you are fully cut around your perimeter, and you've done all the blending stuff so you fit in. If you're doing a bright desert postcard, you better be bright and sunny. If you do more of a cave postcard, it should be more dark and fit into the cave. It may take a couple of days to kind of shade you in or blend you in. All right. In the text, think back to your 8 names. How can you make your text pop or be a little more than this block lettering? Because these postcards have some pretty cool letters as far as they used the water as the letters with an orange job shadow. That's kind of cool. Okay, so do more than just bare minimum. All right, and then finished product is put here, and that is it. All right. So again, not much detail in the actual showing of, because our hope is the skills you've learned, you can harness them and you can apply them. All right? Questions? I'm only a click away.